Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate your personal options and settings. The dashboard is located here. This can always be accessed by clicking on the EP logo in the top left corner of the screen. All of the classes that are assigned to you are on the left, and on the right you will see our content, PD and learning or event updates. Across the top here you have your 6 main navigation tabs that we will cover in our following videos. On the top right there is a question mark. If you are feeling a bit stuck or have a question you would like answered, click here. You have 3 options. The View Help Centre button will direct you to a large repository where you can type in a question about the platform and be directed to a help guide or video related to your question. Our dedicated 24/7 support team is available by clicking Contact Support. Answer a couple of questions regarding the specifics of your inquiry, then type in the specifics of your question. Finally, talk to your key contact at Education Perfect by clicking Book a Call. The bell icon is your notification centre for upcoming tasks or assessments due or any competitions coming up. Your initials on the top right of the screen will access your profile and settings where you can see an overview of your EP journey so far. It will show what teacher certification level you are at and showcase any content that you have created. Click Edit to change your profile, including your profile picture, your title, your bio, and who has access to see these details. In Account Settings, you can change your password and email address. Under My Assessment Results, you can view a summary of results for all of the assessments that you have assigned to your students. And this is just one of the many ways that you can view these results. You can also see an overview of your teacher certification level, and you can download or print your platform achievement certificates. Thank you for watching part 1 of our basic navigation tutorial. Feel free to get in touch if you have any further questions or would like any assistance.